Hey Jane, so this is our property and I just wanted to give you a quick kind of overview of what's here, and of course you're welcome to come out and look. This is the back pasture. It's about 2 acres and it's fenced. I've got my brood mares back here, so we'll go say hi to them. Okay, here's one. There's the other 3. In this center pen, I've got 2 shelters and a big paddock. It's about a, I don't know, quarter of an acre paddock. Okay, so this is probably where your girls will be kept, is back here in the big turnout. That's one of my girls, Abigail. Hi, Abby. So everybody's in good weight. Take good care of my horses. Okay. So here's another option where they could be kept. This is just the center pen where I usually have moms and babies. Hi. Here's one of my mamas. Hi, Mama. And there's a baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Lilu. Okay. Not that we would be using it with your girls, but we do have an arena. And there's a hay shed. There's the arena. Round pen. I have 10 acres here. We're fencing the back 5 later this year, I think, for pasture. So there's the round pen, and then we've got some more pens here. Shelters. More hay storage. Tie racks. There's the barn. Oh, hi, pretty girl. That's Callie. Hi, Callie. That stallion that we're going to be covering to the mares. Hi, honey. This is him. He's very dirty right now. I know. So our stalls are cleaned every other day. More tie rails. Oh, my dirty tack room. Dirty tack room. And that's about it. If you have any more questions, let me know.